No vegetable at home? Don't worry, try this delicious Besan Chilla Gravy. A simple, different recipe that is perfect for monsoon days. I usually serve this with dal rice, but it also tastes amazing with roti, chapati, or bhakri. First, take onion, ginger, and garlic in a mixer jar. Don't make a smooth paste, we want it slightly coarse. Remove it and in the same jar make a tomato puree. Keep both aside. Now take a mortar and pestle and coarsely crush coriander seeds, cumin seeds, fennel seeds, cinnamon stick and black pepper. Freshly crushed masala is going to give this gravy an amazing aroma. For the chilla batter, take half cup besan in a bowl. Add crushed ajwain. Add the crushed whole spice masala and around 2 tablespoons of the crushed onion ginger garlic mixture. Mix everything well. Add turmeric, red chili powder and salt. Add coriander leaves and water. Mix everything well to make a medium thick batter. Heat a pan and add just a little oil. Pour the batter and spread it evenly into a thin chilla. Keep the flame low and let it cook nicely. Once the top looks dry and the bottom is cooked, carefully roll the chilla. Remove it from the pan and repeat with the remaining batter. Half cup besan, I made 3 chillas. Keep them aside to cool. Now heat another kadai and add oil. Add hing and the remaining freshly crushed whole spice masala. Just listen to that sizzle. The aroma is incredible. Now add the remaining crushed onion, ginger and garlic. Saute until it becomes nicely golden brown. Add the tomato puree and salt. Mix well and cook until the gravy thickness. Now add turmeric and my favorite shortcut, Kolhapuri onion garlic masala and amchur powder. I am using this because it gives plenty of flavor without needing to add too many different masalas. Cook everything nicely until the oil starts separating. Meanwhile, take the cool chillas and cut them into a rectangular pieces. Now add water to the gravy. Keep the gravy slightly thinner than you normally would because the chilla pieces will absorb quite a bit of gravy. Once the gravy comes to a boil, gently add the chilla pieces. Let them cook for a few minutes so they can soak up all those delicious flavor. Add fresh coriander and cook for another 2-3 minutes. And our delicious Besan Chilla gravy is ready. I am serving it with dal rice today. But you can enjoy it with roti, chapati or bhakri too. Next time there are no vegetable at home, don't settle for a boring meal. Try this.